got her bow, ready to shine, ready to glow.
Let's hop into balloon fun. Please welcome in clown action.
We're going to start by pumping up our 260 green balloon and then tie a knot. We're also going to pump up our 260 white balloon and also tie a knot. We're going to work with the green balloon first. So we're going to make a pinch twist, an 8 centimeter bubble, another pinch twist. Then we're going to make another 8 centimeter bubble and tie it to the pinch twist on the other side. And then in grabbing that white balloon, we're going to attach it to one of the pinch twists. And then we're going to make an 8 centimeter bubble, tying it to the pinch twist on the other side. And one more 8 centimeter bubble to the pinch twist on the other side. And then we're going to make 2 3 centimeter bubbles and tying it to the pinch twist on the other side. Make sure this is in between 2 of the green 8 centimeter bubbles. This makes his eyes. And then you can cut off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. And then continuing on with the green balloon, we're going to make 2 3 centimeter bubbles and then tying it to the pinch twist on the other side. Make sure this is in between 2 of the white 8 centimeter bubbles this time because it makes the feet. Cut off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. And then we're going to grab the tail and just stretching it to the other side and just twisting it around the pinch twist to secure it. Feel free to adjust anything and making everything fit into place. And the twisting part is complete. On to the drawing. We're going to start by grabbing a black marker and drawing on little eyes onto the white bubbles. And then drawing on a V mouth. And then drawing on a little bow tie. And then we're going to grab a pink marker and drawing on little cheeks. And then we're going to grab a red marker and we're going to draw on the big red stripes on his shirt. And your Balloon Keroppi is complete.
We'll have a Balloon Keroppi. Please comment down below what you want us to meet next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.